How to use deduction coupons in KuCoin. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your KuCoin application. Then from the bottom middle section, go to trade. You simply select the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency you would want to purchase. Then you will see this three dot over here in the right hand side. There in this third row you will see deduction coupons. Simply select on that. If there are any coupons, it will appear over here. Since I do not have any, I cannot use any. But if you do, you will get the option of using it right over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.